How to recover lost access to Roblox Authenticator app. First things first, look at the bottom of that login box. See where it says Roblox support? Go ahead and click that link. It's going to bring you to a troubleshooting page. Just scroll down a bit until you see the section that says Need more help? Contact support here. Click that blue link to open the official ticket form. Before the form opens, Roblox just needs to verify your age. Pop your date of birth into the drop-down boxes and hit continue. Alright, now we're on the form. Up top, type in your Roblox username. Right below that, type in your real email address twice. Make sure it's an email you actually have access to, because this is how support will reach out to you. Scroll down to Issue Details. For the device question, click the drop-down and choose PC, or whatever device you normally play on. For the Help category, select Account Hacked or Can't Log In. Then, for the subcategory, right under it, pick Lost Access to my two-step verification method. Now, in the description box, we want to be super clear and polite so the support agent can help us quickly. Type in something exactly like this. Greetings, I have lost access to my Authenticator app and need assistance to safely recover my account and restore my login access. Thank you. Once that's typed out, hit Continue at the bottom. Before the form submits, a verification box will pop up. Click Start Puzzle to begin the security check. Go ahead and finish the rotation puzzle, and once the object is facing the right way, click Submit. Right after that, Roblox is going to open up a chat assistant to guide you. In the chat box, type I lost access to my Authenticator app and send it. The bot might give you some generic articles, but we want a real person, so reply with please connect me to a human support agent. The bot will then ask you to confirm your email address. Just type yes, and the chat will close out. And that's it. Now Roblox customer service is on the case, and they'll email you soon to finish recovering your account. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next fix. Catch you later!